space is inviting. Is it feels like an invitation. Feels like invitation to self care, self love, self maintenance. It gives this. It has a certain warmth, elder vibe, like ancestral energy to it, especially with like the earth tones and the placement of everything. There's greenery, there's life, there's smell, there's color. And I pay attention to all of the elements of things that make it one thing cohesively, and it has all those things for me. It's a beautiful space. I would say that I just go with what feels most natural to me. So I more so go with a feeling before the sight of things, the view of things. So most times like it's like a ladder of things. Like I said this to you before, like there's energy first, and then there's a thought, then there's a feeling, and there's the action. Like I know I wanted to tell a story. I know I'm placed here to tell stories, but not just like through words, but through vision and execution. And I know that I love colors, I love fabrics, I love textures, and there's a certain placement that comes with those things. So I go with what I feel, and then it just so happens to work out visually and physically, but it's something that you tap into. It's like a language to me that I'm speaking outwardly. Yeah, you just show up. You just be yourself. And I know we were talking about the exhaustion of being your authentic self. But it's like you find your people being who you truly are. You connect with those who are on that same type time, the same collective energy by being exactly who you are designed to be. And I think that's how the message get through to people. Like I don't even have to share all of the intentions of what I have going on. People just feel it. They know because it's an energy, and that's why I call it electricity because it's an energy. It's like a pulse. It's like a pulsation, like an arousing of my spirit, like taking place in this world, and it's an electrified world. To me, it's a magnetic world for me. So when the more I speak, the more I show up, it just amplifies. Just like a thought or idea. How the more you believe in something, or the more you tell other people and they believe in it, it become a fact. Absolutely. That's how I navigate. That's how this life is. The more you be yourself, the more you are a fact. The more that you are who you say you are. And that's what kind of world I'm pursuing, and I'm building, and I'm watering, I'm nurturing. The world where you just show up and it creates change. Good change. And I know we all have our different perspective of like what's good and what's bad, but where we show up as ourselves and we create change that heals people, that uplifts people, that makes people want to dance and sing and carry and tell stories other than just through our words, but through just all different types of frequencies and vibrations that was presented here for us to do so. You just gotta be the seed and allow it to plant in spaces where people are the most receptive of it. Cause it may not be through what you have to say. It might be in the way that you walk, might be in the way that you dance, might be in the way that you set up a store and place certain things, you know. It's all storytelling. So yeah, I'm creating a different language on how to tell stories.